Racing just is started. We have Vivere break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside is Don. Enrico Husteria comes next. Australian Cat. Then next song that is I Did It My Way. Bravo Bell is Street Song comes next. Then followed over by Carlo Okan's Fried. Yo Teddy goes second last. While S26 is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Don Enrico, Violink anyhow, Husteria is right behind in second, Vivere is racing in third, down in fourth comes Australian Cat, moving up S26, is Street Song, and on the outside, I Did It My Way, down on the inside, Yo Teddy Go, Bravo Bell, and Carlo Okan's Ride, and at the far turn, we have Don Enrico by about 4 lengths. Husteria still in second. Vivere is racing in third. I Did It My Way comes next. Yo Teddy Gova. And as they swing for home, we have Don Enrico now racing away by about 8 lengths. Husteria is still in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Don Enrico now increasing its marker to a double digit. And second is Husteria. Then comes Vivere. S26, Yo Teddy Go.
9-10-7-5-1.